Yeah, Assalamualaikum, a very good morning. Today we will continue with the future value. So, any question before we start? All right, we start with the terminology first. Okay. Apakah yang kita panggil dari present value kepada future value? What we call the process from the present value to the future value. Apa proses yang kita panggil di sini? Okay, proses ini kita panggil dia compounding. Okay, the process of compounding. And what is the process of future value back to the present value? Apa proses ni? Okay, panggil dia sini discounting. Okay, dah pandai lah. This is the process, right? Okay, we start with the process of present value to the future value first, or we call it compounding. So the keyword for the future value, either future value itself or compounding. Okay, setakat itu boleh faham kan? Uh, Kata kunci ataupun keyword untuk future value sama ada soalan tersebut menerangkan future value secara terus ataupun dia menggunakan perkataan compound or compounding. Okay, the keyword for future value, either they use future value clearly or the state compound or the process of compounding. Alright, what is the future value? Future value is the process of compound interest occurs when interest paid on the investment during the first period is added to the principal. Then during the second period, interest is earned on a new sum. Alright, ini kita dah tengok. This is the first example that we discussed in the previous class. Okay, this is the formula for future value. Okay, future value equal to present value. Okay, 1 plus I over N. Ataupun kita akan menggunakan table to solve the problems. Okay, dah ada table kita sini. Alright, this is the example. Kita buat satu-satu example here. If Anwar invests 10,000 in a bank where it will earn 6% interest compounded annually, so how much will the amount worth at the end of year 1 and the second one is year 5? So anyone? Just plug in the figure in the formula. Okay. Masukkan figure tersebut ke dalam formula yang disediakan. So anyone? Okay, siapa nak cuba? Boleh kan? Any problem here? Boleh dapat 10,600? Can you get this answer? Right, thank you very much. Okay, how to solve the problem through kita cakap apa, table. Okay. Now let we discuss about the second one. Okay. Present value 10,000, 6% and 5 years. Okay, tengok di jadual masing-masing. Please refer to the table. Okay, 10,000. How to get this? How to get this figure? So we just refer to the table. Okay, 6%, 5 years. Okay, refer to your table now. Okay, this is the future value table. Okay, this is the future value table. So 6%, 5 years. Mana? Okay, this is the 6%. Okay, this is the 6%. And this is 5 years. Okay, this is 5 years. So where is the coordinate of 6% and 5 years? Di mana koordinatnya? Ada siapa nampak? So kita akan nampak di sini koordinatnya. 13382. Okay, boleh nampak? This is the coordinate of 6% and 5 years. The coordinate is 1.3382. Boleh eh? So 13382, we should get this answer 13382. Okay, 10,000 and 1.3382. So the answer is 13382. Any question? Ada soalan setakat tu? Boleh dapat? Alif okey? Alright. Sekarang kita akan buat exercise. Daniel invests 20,000 in a bank where earn 8% interest compounded annually. How much this amount be worth at the end of year 5 and year 15? Okay, we start with the year 5 first. Dapat semua situ? Siapa dapat? Siwi, thank you very much. Alright. Alright, jawapan di situ kita boleh tengok. Thank you, Master. 29,386. A 29,386.56. Okay, how about the second one? How about B? B kita dapat berapa? Okay, Suzanne, thank you very much. 63 443.38 is more accurate. Okay. Thank you, Ziwi. Okay, any question? Ada soalan? Boleh kan? Now we go for the next one. If the interest rate increase from 10% to increase to 10%, how much will the Dana saving grow? Okay, tadi 8%. Uh, Normally we use 2 decimal point. Okay, normally we use 2 decimal points, Susan. Especially in your individual assignment, okay, you have to write more accurate answer. Okay, in the exam, normally our exam is in MCQ, so you should select or choose a very close answer. Okay, a very close answer, very accurate answer. Okay, how about this one? From 8% increases to 10%. So how about the answer? 5 years. Okay, 5 years to no. How about the answer? Not how much the amount increase. The answer, the total answer. 3 to 210.20. A B 15 years. How about B? 83 544.96. Okay, thank you, Sivi and Nisa. Okay, we continue. Okay, in this formula, you can see the component of the formula here is present value, 1 plus I power of N. Okay, jika ditukarkan, dia boleh jadi soalan tu, the question can test you in any angle of the formula. Either you want to test you the future value, they want to test you the present value, I or N here. Here, I just want to show you how to solve, how to find I or interest. I is the for interest using table. Okay. Let's say the question is what is the rate? Okay, what is the rate? 500 to grow to 1183.70 in 10 years. berapakah kadar faedah I di sini jika 500 kita simpan dan 10 tahun kemudian ianya menjadi 1183.30. So this is the formula from table. Okay, future value, present value. This is the future value interest factor I and N. So this is the future value. This is the present value. 10 years, and we have to find what is the I here. So you bahagikan, just divide, and you have this answer 2.3674. So now we go to the table. Okay, sekarang kita akan melihat jadual yang dah ada tadi. Okay, tadi ingat berapa nombornya tadi? 2 perpuluhan. Berapa nombornya tadi? So, kalau kita nak cari di sini, di manakah I tersebut? Di manakah 2.3674 tadi? Where is the 2.3674 just now? Okay, 10 years. Okay, tengok barisan 10 years di sini. Okay, search for 2. Apa tadi? 2.3674. Search for 2.3674. So kita carilah sini 2. Mana dia? Here. Okay, here is 2.3674. Dan tengok ke atas sini. Dan kita akan jumpa di sini adalah 9%. Right, boleh dapat sini? So the answer is 9%. Okay, setakat tu boleh ikut? Okay, begitu juga dengan N here. If the question tests you on the N. Okay, kuasa di sini N. Okay. So again, how many years take investment 100 to grow 672.75, invest 10% compounded annually. So here the keyword is compounded. Okay, compounded annually. Okay, compounded annually. Nampak sini, compounded and annually. So compounded here means future, okay, future value. Right, 100, okay, 72.75 over 100. So kita dapat 6.7272. Okay, 67272, and go to table just now. Okay, balik pada table tadi. 10%. Okay, 10%. Sekejap, kita balik pada table tadi. Okay, 10%. Where is the 10%? Okay, 10% here. Okay, 10% here. So, di mana tadi? Nampak di mana jawapan tadi yang kita dapat tadi? Ada siapa dah jumpa? Eh? 10%. 10% is here. So berapa tadi? Okay, here. Look to your left and you see 20 years here. Alright, boleh nampak? Boleh ikut? Setakat itu? Okay, just do the exercise. So, saya akan panggil nama kejap lagi dan tolong jawab ya. How many years will the following investment takes 100 to go to 298.60 invest 20% compounded annually. Nampak ni compounded annually. 550 to grow 1044.05 invested 6% compounded annually. And the rate with the following investment have to be invested 200 to grow 497.65 in 5 years and 180 to grow 485.93 in 6 years. Okay, mari kita sama-sama jawab soalan yang pertama di sini. Okay, siapa dah dapat sini? Okay, sini adalah 6 years. Okay, how about here? The second one. 11 years. Good. Here. Berapa persen? The first one. First one, 20%. Good. And the last one here. Untuk yang terakhir berapa persen? Cepat, cepat, cepat. Sebelum saya panggil nama. Alright, 18%. Okay, yang terakhir sekali itu adalah 18%. Okay, any question? Setakat itu. Ada apa-apa soalan? Boleh kan? Boleh ikut? Okay, compound interest with non-annual periods. Okay, just now, we solved the problem with the what we call the annual interest rate. Okay. Tadi kita selesaikan soalan-soalan berkaitan dengan kadar faedah tahunan. Jangan kira kita buat seperti yang tadi Santian. Just go to your table, future value table, and just see the coordinate. Right? Just now, we answer the question with the annual interest rate. Actually, in the future value question, there are more than annual interest rate. Okay? It can be semi-annual, it can be quarterly, and it can be monthly compounding. So kalau soalan tersebut menggunakan perkataan semi-annual or semi-annually compounding, mean here is the future value semi-annual. Okay, this is the compounding here. Future value quarterly compounding. If monthly compounding is the future value monthly compounding. Okay, kalau semi-annual here, in the semi-annual, mean we divide by 2. Okay, dibahagikan dengan 2. Kalau quarterly kita bahagikan dengan 4. Look here, and also we time with 2, and here and also we time with 4, and here time with 12. Okay, sini bahagi dengan 12, and darab dengan 12. Bagi 4 dan n darab dengan 4, I bagi 2, n kita darabkan dengan 2. Kenapa 2, kenapa 4, kenapa 12? Okay, this is 1 year, this is the annual. Di sini 12, di sini 1. Okay, January, February, March, April, until December here. There, right? So, semi-annual. This is the semi-annual every 6 months. Okay, every 6 months here. So, ada berapa kali? How many time the interest rate compound? So, ada 2 kali. So, di sini ada 1. This is another one. So, 1, 2. Every 6 months or semi-annual. So, ada 2 kali. Quarterly. Every 3 months. Okay, di sini 1 dan 3, bulan 6, 9, okay, 12. So quarterly you can see here 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's why 4 time or how frequent the interest rate compound in a year. So kalau anda lihat di sini dia ada 4 kali bulan setiap 3 bulan, every 3 months, ataupun setiap suku tahun 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's why the interest rate divided by 4 and n or the years time with 4. Kalau 12 bulan, so every month. Okay, every month means every month kita ada here 12 kali. Okay, this is the every month. Okay, setakat itu boleh ikut the different semi-annual ataupun annual, semi-annual, quarterly, and monthly compounding. Okay? Okay, this is the example. This is from the table. Okay, if you deposit 100 in account earn 6% semi-annual. Tengok elok-elok sini. Semi-annual compounding. This is the keyword. The big keyword here is semi-annual and compounding. Mean future value semi-annual. Okay, semi-annual future value. Okay, future value maksudnya tarikh ke depan lah. Tarikh ke depan di sini. Berapa amount di sini. Right? Berapa amount di sini. So, diberi present value here. So, kita harus mencari berapakah nilainya di sini. Okay, di sini. Di sini berapa nilainya. So, 100 here. 100 is here. 1 plus 6% over 2. Okay, kita akan dapat 3% here. And 5 times 2, kita akan dapat 10 kali dalam tempoh 5 tahun. Okay, setahun ada 2 kali. So, 5 tahun ada 10 kali. So, the answer is 13439. This is from the table. This is from table. Okay, the answer also 134.39. Okay, dah cuba buat this example. Cuba buat contoh yang diberikan. Please try. Okay, to make sure you really familiar with the function of your calculator. Okay, pastikan anda familiar dengan fungsi-fungsi yang ada di calculator tersebut. Okay, how to press the function of power. Okay, macam mana nak tekan fungsi kuasa 2, kuasa 10 dan sebagainya dari calculator. Santian, okey Santian? Alright, thank you very much. Okay, but there are some limitation if we use table to solve the problem. Okay, we have some limitation when we use a table to solve the problem. For example here, okay, 6% over 4. 6% dibahagikan dengan 4 sebab quarterly compounding. So 6% bahagi 4, kita akan dapat 1.5%. Okay, 1.5%, 1.5%. If we see in the table, if we refer to the table, there are no 1.5%. Okay, dia cuma ada 1%, 2, 3, 4, till the 30, and here to the 30 years. Kalau if the questions, the answer or the interest rate is 1.5 or 2.5, 9.9, let's say 14.2%, so we cannot use the table. Sama juga kalau tahun, you dapat 5.5 years or 10.2 years, so we cannot use table and go back to the formula. Okay, kita kena balik kepada formula untuk menyelesaikan soalan berkenaan. Okay, mari kita cuba buat soalan ini. Now we try to solve the question here. Okay, sekejap Nisa, saya tengok. Okay, Anissa, I just refer to the Anissa question here from the chat box, private message here. Kalau 10% 5 tahun, so kita dekat table, value kita tengok 5% 10 tahun. Yes, correct. Betul Nisa. Kita dekat table, kita tengok 10% 5 tahun. Okay. Katakan kalau 5 tahun tersebut adalah semi-annual. So semi-annual, kita akan jadi 10 tahun. 10% tadi kita divide by 2. Okay, sebab semi-annual. So dia akan jadi 5%. So kita refer 5% 10 years. Right? Got it, Anissa? Boleh dapat? Alright, thank you. Okay, kita balik kepada soalan. If you deposit 1,000 in account, earn 8%, quarterly compounding. Nampak sini? Quarterly compounding. Bermaksud ini adalah soalan, this is the future value question with quarterly compounding. Okay, compounding ni ini dah beri maksud future value dan dia adalah quarterly. So quarterly kita kena bagi dengan berapa kali dalam setahun. Dia jadi berapa kali? 4 kali. Yes, there are 4 times in a year. Right? 3 years become, kalau 3 tahun dia akan jadi 3 kali 4, 12. Okay. 12, di sini bukan tahun lagi, dia jadi 12 kali. Okay. Dalam tempoh 3 tahun. Okay. 12, the frequency now become 12 times in a 3 years. So, berapa jawapan untuk soalan nombor 1? Okay, Rauda. Thank you very much. So the answer is 1,000. Apa tu? 268 268.24. Okay, semua dapat jawapan tu? So the next one. Uh, 5,000 invest for 5 years at 10% with quarterly compounding. Quarterly compounding. Ataupun satu lagi keyword tadi, to what amount will the following investment accumulate? Jawapan kena unit lah. Kalau unit tu adalah ringgit, we use ringgit. If the unit is dollar, we use dollar. Okay, especially in your individual assignment. Okay, because all your quizzes, all your mid-semester exam, they are test you through multiple choice question. Okay, the answer is there, but you have to circle or you have only to click the most correct answer. But in your individual assignment, in your group assignment, please state the what we call the units of currency. Okay, soalan nombor 2. 5,000, 5 years, 10% quarterly. And the last one here is 4,000, 6 years, 6% semi-annual. Okay, here 8,000. 193.03. Okey, biasa kan kita menggunakan 2 decimal point. Okay. Thank you, Siri. And the last one here. Come on guys. $5,000. 703.04. Alright, semua dapat? Okay, this is the quarterly. Okay, quarterly. Di sini quarterly. Quarterly divide by 4. This is the semi-annual. Semi-annual divided by 2. Okay, Nisa.
Sir,
Alright.
saya nak tanya
Rodah, ya.
untuk soalan 2A tu, 2 yang 5 tahun punya
Okay,
tu, yang tu saya dapat 8193.08.
Pandai lah tu.
Dia 08 yang belakang. Sebab kalau yang Suwei punya 03 punya jawapan.
03.
Dalam chat.
08.
Oh, 08 lah. Okey, baik. Terima kasih, sir.
Okay, thank you, Nisa. Di sini tadi berapa, Nisa? 8,000. 193.08. Saya tak tahu Siwi data 03 saya ikut Siwi ya. Okay, tak apa. There are no big deal here. Okay, as long as the answer is very close. Okay, the answer is very close. Sometimes when we use a very high quality, high standard calculator, the answer is slightly different. Alright, the last one is tadi berapa? 5,703. Okay, 5,000. Okay, here is 5,703.04. Okay, boleh faham kan? Right, boleh kita sambung. Sorry. Okay, future value. Ada masa lagi? Future value, any question, future value? Kalau okay, just bagi emoticon dekat kita punya Webex. Kalau tak okay, kita kena terangkan sekali lagi. Boleh kita pergi ke present value now? Alright. Okay, this is the process. Saya nak padam sini. Okay, what is the keyword of present value? Apakah kata kunci bagi present value? What is the keyword for present value? Ingat lagi yang tadi? Ini sekarang kita pergi sini pula. What is the keyword of the present value? The keyword here is, the process is discounting. Okay. Proses yang kita namakan sebagai pendiskaunan. Okay, the formula is there. Present value equal to future value 1 plus I power of n. This is the formula for present value. Atau tadi kita panggil dia, ini adalah discount factor, atau kita panggil dia discount factor. Okay, this is the formula from the table. Okay, ini dari table. Okay, kita tengok satu soalan di sini. What is the present value of 800 to be received 10 years from now, from today, if our discount rate is 10%? Okay, berapakah 800 to be received 10 years from now, from today, if our discount rate is 10%? Okay, kalau kita lukis apa ni, kita panggil sini timeline lah, atau kita panggil this timeline. Okay, this is 0. This is berapa tahun tu? 10 years. This is 10 years. Okay, this is the 10 years. Okay, nilai di sini adalah 800. Okay, here is 800. Berapakah nilainya di sini? Okay, berapakah nilainya di sini? Okay, berapakah nilainya di sini? Okay, boleh nampak di situ? Okay, kalau kita dari calculation ini, kita akan dapat 308.43. This is the from table. Okay, 10% 10 years, present value. Present value table. Okay, present value interest factor table. We use present value interest factor table. Okay, jom kita tengok table. Okay, table ini adalah future value. This is the future value table. So kemudian table ini di bawahnya ada lagi, di sini adalah di sini adalah future value interest factor annuity. Nampak? Okay, the next one is the present value. This is the present value table. Okay, we're going to use this present value table. So 10%, nampak sini 10%. Okay, 10% and 10 years here. So where is the coordinate? Okay, 0.3855. 0.3855. Nampak kan sini kan? 0.3855. So 800 kita akan dapat same answer with the formula 308.43. Okay, slightly different. This is from calculator. This is from table. Nampak ada sedikit perbezaan sebab di jadual we only use 4 decimal point. Okay, tak boleh nak tulis decimal point yang panjang-panjang dalam table, nanti tak cukup. Okay, any question here? Ada soalan? Alright, kita cuba buat di sini. Yes, both is correct. Okay, acceptable answer. Okay, cuba carikan 10,000 10,000 discount, discounting 10 years from today, if our discount rate 5%, 10 and 20%. Okay, cuba buat soalan tersebut. Okay, the first one, 5%. Anyone, please? Okay, the first one is 6. Berapa Anis? 6. 139 bulan 13. Okay, the second one, 10%. 3855.3. 43. 3,855 and 43. And the last one, 1,000 615.06. All right, thank you, Roda. And the rest. Okay, any question? Boleh dapat semua? Atau ada yang masih terkapai-kapai untuk mencari jawapan? Yang mana Yin Hui? Which one Yin Hui? Nanti kita minta Rauda untuk give the explanations. Which one Sin Hui? Yin Hui?
So I là Trần Diệu. Con nhớ xong rồi.
Louder, please.
Can you hear me, sir?
All right.
Can you hear me? Can I ask you which formula to count the discount rates?
We use this one, present value formula.
Okay, thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Present value. Now we are in the present value. Present value, future value over ataupun divide by 1 plus I power of n. Okay, bahagikan future value bahagi 1 tambah I cos to n. Try again.
Okay,
And
I try again.
let me know.
Okay.
Okay, setengah, if you want to use calculator, okay, you also can use this one. Present value equal to future value 1 plus I negative N. Kalau yang tulis dalam bentuk straight line, if you want to use the straight line equation in your calculator, you can use present value, future value. Okay, this is 1 plus I power of negative N. Sini ada fungsi negatif N. Ataupun you can use this kind of formula. Okay, both will produce the same answer. You boleh cuba. Kalau you tak nak guna bahagi dekat sini, you boleh guna one straight line equation, okay, in your calculator. Yui? Yan Hui? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, sir. Thank you.
All right. Okay, present value. Ya, sama ada tekan fungsi yang kat atas tu pun dia akan dia is depend to the calculator, okay? Ada calculator jenis Casio, ada calculator jenis Toshiba atau Texas Instrument yang ada depan saya tadi. Okay? You boleh guna pelbagai fungsi. That's why try to explore your functions of your calculator, because different calculator will use different functions, okay, to calculate. Okay, what is the present value of investment that year 300 to be received in 2 years and 450 to be received in 8 years if the discount rate 5%. So ada dua, they are what we call multiple, okay, multiple cash flow. Okay, di sini terpanggil, soalan ini merujuk kepada multiple cash flow. Okay. Number one, 300 in 2 years, and then 400 in 5 years. Okay, sorry, in 8 years. Okay, with the same interest rate 5%. Okay, ini kaedah kita nak kirakan tadi lah. This is from table. Okay, this is from table. You just refer to the 5% and 2 years and 5% and 8 years. This is the annual interest rate. Okay, this is the annual interest rate. Okay, cuba buat pengiraan di sini. Ataupun you nak guna formula. Okay, guna formula pun dapat, guna table pun dapat. Okay, 1.05 kuasa 3. 1.05, 1.05 in power of 3. Sorry, in power of 2. Okay, and 1.05 in power of 8. Okay, kedua-duanya memberi jawapan yang sama. Okay, kita cuba buat soalan ini. Okay, kita ada sedikit masa. Okay, what is the PV of investment yield 800 to be received 3 years and 750 to be received in 5 years if the discount rate 5%? And then the second one, what is the present value of investment that yield 1,000 to be received in 2 years and 2,500 to be received in 4 years if the discount rate is 6%? Kita tengok soalan yang pertama dulu. Okay, soalan yang pertama tu 500, kemudian kita bahagikan dengan 1.05 kuasa 3, kemudian kita tambah dengan 750, bahagi 1.05 kuasa 5. Okay, anyone? Alright, thank you Santian. Santian kali ni dah semakin laju. Yang lain boleh check Santian answer ya. Sama ada betul atau salah, atau ada jawapan lain. 1000.56. Okay, how about the second question? Soalan yang kedua. Okay, I would like to thanks to the contributor here, Nur Anissa, Zoraida, and Santian. Alright, the second one. Zoraida. Okay, please check the Zoraida answer here. 2000. .84. It doesn't matter. Okay, if you want to use formula, is okay. If you want to use table, also okay. Okay, it's depend on your apa ni, which one is more comfortable to you. Okay, yang mana you lebih selesa untuk gunakan. Sebab saya beritahu beberapa kaedah. Okay, ada yang suka dengan formula, ada yang suka dengan table. Okay, ianya terpulang lah. Ada yang dari KL nak balik Kedah, ada yang dia ikut highway, ada yang ikut jalan biasa. Okay, it depend. Ada yang ikut jalan udara. So it doesn't matter as long as you can reach the destination. Okay, please double check the Anissa answer here. Oh ya ke? Atau saya yang salah tulis? Ya, 2909.44. This is your first answer. So yang mana satu? Okay. So now is 2000. 2,807.25. Yang ni okey? Sekali lagi ya. Di sini jawapannya adalah $2,870.25. So, kita boleh bersetuju dengan ini? Okay, this is the answer. Okay, sikit lagi. Last one. Okay, ini pula. Ini dah kan tadi kan? Okay, kita berhenti di sini. Let's stop here. Okay, any question? Kita berhenti di sini lah. Ini nanti the next one is the annuity. Okay, stop here. Just the introduction of the annuity. Annuity, you kena tahu annuity is the series of equal payment for specified numbers of years. Okay, this is annuity. So kalau dia hanya berulang-ulang untuk suatu tempoh tertentu yang kita tahu, this is the annuity. So annuity ada dua, ordinary annuity and annuity due. Okay, balik tengok nota dan kemudian kita akan bincangkan. Alright, we stop here.